Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Google Keep Notes on Android. Make sure you have the Google Keep application installed on your Android device. You can find it in the Google Play Store. Tap on the Google Keep application icon to open it. Once you are in the application, locate and tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This allows you to manage your Google account within the application. At the bottom of the screen, you will find various options for creating different types of notes. For example, if you want to create a quick to-do list, tap on the checkbox icon. This allows you to create checklist items such as work routine, gym, study, and eat. As you complete each item on your list, you can tick them off. Once you have completed the entire list, you can click on the three dots menu and choose the option to untick all items if needed. Another option available is the brush tool, which allows you to write freehand with your finger or a stylus. You can also delete any freehand drawings if necessary. To record audio notes, simply tap on the mic icon. You may need to grant permission for the application to access your device's microphone by tapping on Allow. Then record whatever you want to speak. Once you are done, tap on the bell icon to set the time and date for the note. Google Keep provides default reminder times during the day. You can customize these settings in the application settings menu. Alternatively, you can manually add the date and time for your reminder. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.